Hi there, so this video is about how to correct the fault when reversing into a parking space. So nothing too tricky to start with. It's just a nice, easy, it's a quiet car park to practice. Nice and straight, looking round, and I'm going to go in a parking space, so I'm looking round, taking my time, putting the full lock onto the left, and as far as you know, it looks like it's going fine. But when you get closer, you're thinking, hang on a second, I'm a little bit too wide here, I'm right on the right hand side, and it could be a bit of panic stations. You straighten yourself up, so you straighten the bay, you're just too close to the right hand side. So what you need to do is have a look round, not panic about it, and say, right, well, I need to go out of the bay, I need to go to the hub and then reverse back in. So first gear is what you want. You check round and you bring yourself to the left. So I've done about 3/4 straight away. I've checked the left mirror, then start bringing it to the right. To straighten yourself up, straighten the front of the car up, and then straighten your wheels up. It's as easy as that. Secure the car, pop it in reverse, have another check round, and then reverse back slowly. And you'll find that if you check both mirrors while you're looking over your shoulders, you're actually in the middle of the bay. And if you're not, it's a little tweak to sort it out. And a little tweak means probably about a 1/4 turn on the wheel to whichever side you want to go. And remember, if you want the back of the car to go to the left, you turn the car to the left. If you want the back of the car to go to the right, you turn the wheel to the right, and so on. And if we do the opposite one, so we go back out and go back to the same start spot, and I'll try and do it so that I'm on the left hand side this time. I'm looking round. So I'm going to turn a little bit earlier this time to try and be next to the white line on the left. So I'm looking round, doing all my observations, and when I bring it round now, I'm finding that I'm too close to the left side. So my left wheels is on the white paint, as you can see. So I'm stopping when I'm in the bay, the wheel's straight, the car straight, I'm just to the left hand side. So this time I need to go to the right hand side. So I look round, I'm in first gear, nothing's there. As I move off, I'm bringing the car to the right over here. So it's 3/4 straight away, bringing myself across, and then when I feel like I'm across enough, bring it 3/4 back and then a bit more to the left. And as it straightens the car up, straighten back up. Secure the car, back in reverse. Check round, check your mirrors. I can see both white lines quite clearly at this point, so I know I'm actually in, and reversing back slowly with the wheel straight, the car straight, so straight forward at a point. Nothing too tricky. And then stopping. So that's a quick how to correct the faults reversing into a parking space. I hope it makes sense to you, and like I say, if you're new to the channel, click on that subscribe button and click on that bell at the same time to get them weekly video notifications. Take care, safe driving, and good luck with your driving manoeuvre.